As the technology evolves, the idea of having a futuristic AI car brightens up. We all would love to have cars that are different from the current lot. With Tesla launching the EVs, it seems evident that within time, a lot of concept cars can come into practice. Today, we will be taking about 9 unbelievable concept cars from the future. Before going into the video, make sure you smash that subscribe button for 1 month of good luck. Let's begin with the list. On number 9, we have the Toyota FV2. The Japanese company Toyota gave the idea of this car at the Geneva Motor Show in 2004. This car takes the driving one step further and connects the driver and the vehicle. The single-seated car has no steering and is set to move, accelerate and stop using the driver's action. The car also has an intrinsic design and the interior can change colors depending on the driver's mood. On number 8, we have the Renault Trésor. This concept car from Renault was showcased in the 2016 Paris Motor Show. This car is built from a carbon fiber frame. This unique design enables the car to go from 0 to a speed of 60 miles per hour under 4 seconds. This concept design has no doors and roof open up altogether. The car has 2 seats and an exotic red interior. The seats, dashboard and even the windshield are red, covered by metallic silver exterior, making this unique concept for the future. On number 7, we have the Mercedes AVTR. This Mercedes future car is inspired by the movie Avatar. It focused on connecting people to the car and has astounding features. With the help of AI, this car can feel your pulse as you touch it. The car has a reptile-like body and has 2 seats. It also has a unique feature in which each wheel can be driven separately depending on the driving situation. On number 6, we have the Citroën GT. The GT by Citroën was introduced as a concept car in the 2008 Paris Motor Show. The company is pursuing the manufacture of just 6 cars. It is a sports car which is said to have a horsepower of 778. The car has blue LEDs in its front end and has wide air intakes, which is its beauty. On number 5, we have the Audi PB18 e-tron. This car is the first attempt of Audi at an electric vehicle. First shown in 2018, Audi confirms that at least 50 versions of the vehicle will be introduced. The car is powered by 3 electric motors which generate a total of 671 horsepower working together. The car is set to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2 seconds. Though the technology is a long way off, we hope to see some production starting at the end of 2022. On number 4, we have the Aston Martin Lagonda Vision. Aston Martin first introduced this concept car at the Geneva Motor Show 2018. The Lagonda Vision has bold, aggressive and sleek cutting-edge aerodynamics to increase power and speed. This vehicle is said to be the first luxury car that has zero emissions. Aston Martin is considering starting production at the end of 2021. On number 3, we have the Honda New V. Honda New V is an electric car attempt by the Honda company. Introduced in 2017, the car features a state-of-the-art emotion engine that can understand the mind of its owner. This car has an AI assistant named Hannah, that is, Honda Automated Network Assistant, which learns based on past emotions. It can also make new choices and recommendations based on them. This car has a complete touch panel interface and contains 2 comfortable seats with some space behind well. On number 2, we have the Terrafugia TFX. This concept car might be just what cars would be like in the future. With the seating capacity of 3 people, the TFX is partially electric, having 600 horsepower motors. The most unique thing about this car is that it can fly too. The car can perform vertical takeoffs and landing with the help of propellers and 2 fans attached at the back of it. Not only this, but a top speed of 200 miles per hour makes this car an interesting weight. On number 1, we have the Renault EZ Go. This concept car has a unique and intriguing design. The car has no space for the driver. Yes, sounds amazing. Renault has enabled a robot vehicle that will drive you on its way. The car has 2 back seats and can accommodate 6 people in total. It also enables augmented reality in your phone and is built in Wi-Fi. The car has a single motor and a top speed of 31 miles per hour, but its 4-wheeling steering allows it to easily perform in urban environments. Well, this is where we end the video, but guess what? We caught your interest in tech gadgets as you stuck till the very end of the video. Let us know in the comments down below which one you like the most. We will catch you up in the next video.